So you can make use of this free AI to generate an educational content, and you can use it for your faceless content as well. So today I'll be showing you how you can use your AI to lip sync to do educational content. So let's dive in. Let's see how this goes step by step. All right. So the first thing you do is you go to your ChatGPT, you generate the picture you want to use. So if you're new on ChatGPT, you register with your email and you sign up. It's as easy as that. There's no money involved. It's free. So you register with your ChatGPT. ChatGPT is another powerful search engine that you can use to generate any of your ideas. It can generate pictures. So you ask ChatGPT to generate what you want to do. So if you want to use it in classroom, if you want to create a cartoon or animation, you ask a ChatGPT to generate. So yes, me asking ChatGPT to generate a picture of a fine man, you know, a fine man teacher. It's fine man teacher. That is a fine teacher. That is a man in bracket teaching in the classroom. Okay. Um. Okay. On the whiteboard is um, is vowel sounds vowel sound written. So I'm trying to describe my prompt, and so and also okay, A E I O U. All right, so this is me telling ChatGPT to bring out a picture. So ChatGPT will load this. So after this, the next thing is for us to go to our AI that we'll be using. And this AI is called Hedra AI. Hedra AI. This AI is so lovely because it can record your voice, it can sing, it can take up to 20 seconds long video for free. And this one comes without watermark. It's just lovely. Hedra AI. And you're not paying for it. This is a free AI. Most AI out there you have to pay before they can generate a video like this. So this is how it looks like. Uh, you can see if you're using it on YouTube, you use 16 by 19. If you're using it on the Facebook or other social platform, you choose the size like TikTok and Facebook. Those ones are not 16 by 19. But for this purpose, we use 16 by 19 by 9 rather. Then the resolution leave it at 720. All right, there you have add voice. So you can generate your speech, you can record your speech or upload your speech. So you might have made a record, or you upload a music, or you upload a voice that you want. Then you can capture a live image, or upload an image, or you create one. So very unique features, and you also describe your prompt, how you want your character to look. So after uploading, you describe how you want it to look, then you add a voice to it. This looks so unique. It makes your work easy. It makes it so easy and unique. So it's just lovely. This is Hydra AI, so lovely, and it's free. So you enjoy using it. So first of all, register with your email. Accept the terms and condition. Okay. So let's dive in. Let's see how. Let's add the picture. So I've already added my picture. I've uploaded the. This is the picture that was generated from ChatGPT. This is what I asked ChatGPT to generate. So it has generated it. So here it is. So I said, make the man to talk like a teacher. So the way teacher teach is what I want. So I've selected on my character. I will put it on the 720. Let me use. I've already placed it on YouTube. YouTube is 16 by 9. YouTube is 16 by 9. So that is the size of YouTube video. But for shorts, it's not 16 by 9. So the next thing I'm going to do is I will add my own voice. So you can also record your live voice of how you want it to respond or to talk. Or probably you've recorded it already and you just upload it. So let me record it now. So here's me recording what I want the teachers to say. So if you're watching this, please don't forget to subscribe. This is me teaching AI, and here on my channel I do a lot of tutorial on AI. I do a lot of wonderful content. You won't regret subscribing to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. All right, so here is my recorded voice. You can Another feature about it is that even after recording, you can listen to it. If it's not okay, you delete it. If it's the background noise is too noisy, you can reduce it. Yes, it has a unique features. You can reduce it, and if you're not okay with it, you can delete it as well. So you see, you can filter the noise. It's just unique. You don't need any skills, any special training to know how to do this. You can also use another a robot voice. So if you don't want it to be your voice, so everything is good to go. Then we send. So you continue. This is just a short advert. Just wait or you click continue. You can see preparing to generate your video. Please, this is a lovely AI. Please don't forget to subscribe because this AI will serve you for your faceless content. It can go a long way up to 20 seconds and is so reliable because it maintains a consistent character. So this is Hedra AI. Please, if you have any question about this, let me know. You can drop it on the comment section. If you want other AI tools that you want me to talk about, please you can also drop it in the comment section. So you're going to wait for some time because the AI is will take a little while. But if you want it to be very fast, that's when you have to pay. You have to pay for it. So just give it like few minutes. It will generate automatically. So here is our video. Our video is done already, or let me say almost done. You can see. So from here, if you want to still modify, you can modify it, but it's better you wait and see the results. You will see from where it's loading, you can see 0%. So now it's done and video is ready. Yes, so you can see the man now. This is the man and this is the video. It's just so lovely. Then you download it. When you download it, don't click upgrade. Upgrading means you want to pay so that it will download fast. So whether you pay or you not pay, it will still download. So just click on download and your video will be ready. It will save on your mobile device and the size are not as much as that. So you can see here is the video and here is the man teaching the vowel sound. So you can even come up with your own idea if you want to teach mathematics, you want to do any other thing, even if it's music you want to teach, or if you want to use it for even teaching or preaching or doing any other thing, you can use this Hedra AI. This is just lovely. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.